The first process in changing the forms for import is to delete the various columns that need to be deleted. And then in this, on this import with the accounts, we need to change also the headers on each of the forms or files. And so what I do is I just copy and paste the header into the account number, Angel account spreadsheet, change this to active, lowercase, and then you will bring it down the sheet. As you go down the sheet, you will see that there are some information that may be missing. Like this one is not an actual person. His name is Jim Crow. They found out that it was a duplicate, so we're just going to delete him. They haven't been able to take him out of colleague. Go further down. Usually there's a blank line. You may see some that have missing ID numbers or login numbers. Sometime I fill those in if I can find the information in colleague, and then other times I just go ahead and run the import. It'll send back an error, but usually it's updated in the next report from colleague. So again, you see all that blank line, we delete that blank line. Continue with the active. Okay, now all of them are active, and we're going to go all the way back up to the beginning again, to the top. So also, and a requirement, very important, we need to make sure that we change this column. So we're going to format the cell, custom, where it says general, 7 zeros. Okay. And then we're going to copy this cell into our notes, our notepad, or on Apple. Same process, basically. This is a PC. So then we're going to format the cell again, go to text, and press OK. We go to the notes, we copy all, and next, go back to the line and paste it. It is very important that when importing the Angel accounts that you make sure you have the proper headings above. If not, you can lose all of the names, and it'll mess up everything in Canvas as far as the names and all that. So if you ever have a problem where it'll say no users or the names have been taken out some kind of way in Canvas, you might want to go back and look at this this import to make sure that the header is correct. But using this SOP is very helpful because it keeps you from making a mistake and having to type them in. But you may want to become familiar with the headers so that just in case you don't have this template with you or in your email, it's good to have it in your email, but just in case you don't have it with you, that you become familiar about which ones go where. You can also find that on the Canvas Administrators booklet. and it'll tell you exactly what which ones need to be used. So then we're going to save this. What we're going to save is we want to make sure it's a CSV, that it remain a CSV. The XLX will not import into Canvas. So we're going to name this, you can either name it the user, oh no, CSV, Canvas, CSV. I did that because I'm going to put multiple ones in there. And we're going to name this users. And today's date is